Hello students, in the third question today we are going to do group frequency table. So this question is create a group frequency table to describe the annual household income of participants. So this is about household income. So we will go back to dataset and we'll find household income. So this is the column of household income. So we will select this column and I'm going to paste in another sheet to show you. So on the second one I'm showing here. So I'll just paste it here and just make it right. You can see here, this is the household income of different families. So we have a couple of families here and here is the data about the household income. So the question number 3 is asking group frequency. So in the last question, we did frequency table. Now we're doing group frequency table. And after that, we'll find the count means frequency. We will change it into percent. And also we will find the cumulative percent for that. And of course, we will describe the data. So what you will do here, go back to the data. So once again, you will go to insert, go to pivot table and go to table and range. Here automatically it will take your data, but still if you want you can reselect just to check, double check we're selecting everything, and always do existing worksheet, never new worksheet, because we're taking the existing data. Now it's asking about the location, means where do you want to write your answer. I want my answer to be here, so click on that cell and press OK. You will see some dialog boxes like this. So what you will do now, so first of all, you can see here money, household income. So there are so many different numbers are there, right? There are around 62 numbers. So what you will do, and we want to make the frequency for that. So bring household income in rows. So bring it down here. And you can see here it ordered. It's now these all numbers are in order. This money is in order. So, but we cannot make table from so many numbers. It's difficult. Even if we have to make any graph, it's difficult to make from so many numbers. So it's recommended, strongly recommended to have small data. For that, what we will do, we will try to convert into groups. And how we will do in groups? We click on any cell, do the right click on any cell, not everything, just one cell, click, do the right click. After doing the right click, you can see here it is saying group. Right click on any cell, do group, click on group, and if you will double click, okay, double click on group. Now this is telling you that your data is starting from 10,000 and it is going all the way up to 120600. It's a big data. I want to group it. So this is by default 10,000, that I want to group it into like 0 to 10,000, 10,000 to 20,000, 20,000 to 30,000, or we can start with 10,000, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like that. But if you want to change it, we can always change. Let's first see if we are going with the gap of 10,000, how many groups we will get. Let's just double check. And you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 groups. This is fine, but still if you want to reduce it, you can do that. Again, go to group, like here it is saying 10,000. Instead of 10,000 you can say 15,000. You can change it, press OK. Now see the number reduced, and it's recommended to have between 5 to 7 intervals. Like here now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still we have 8 intervals, but this is still fine. You can also go by 20,000. So same thing, click on any cell, do the right click, go to group. So if you'll go to group, I did 15,000, you can say 20,000. I can say 20,000. So if I will say 20,000, now number reduced to 336. This is also fine. Means we can always change it. We can always change this data. So now again, because I need to know how many families they have income between 10,000 to 29,000, how many between 30,000 to 49, 50,000 to 69, goes like that, right? So this we want to check. So how you will do it? For that I need the frequency. Again, click on any of the cell. You will again see this dialog box, pivot table. This is the pivot table. So if you guys will drag this down into the values. So values, if you will drag it down into the values, it will give you the frequency. So there are 60 families, 19 families, they have income between 10,000 to 2999 or around 30. So 5 families from 30 to 4999, and it's keep on going like that. Only one family is there whose earning is 110000 up to 12, right? So this is the count. This you can say count. If you want to change it, you can just say frequency on the basis of their daycare and other expenses, everything. So this is family income. All right. Now this is the count. In this question, it is also asking us to show that this count, this is the count, to show this in percent and cumulative percent. So what you will do for that, this is frequency. Now I want to write it into percent. So don't change it here, just make another box, another block here. So once again, bring down, drag it down, household income into values. And you can see frequency, we can see it again. And now if you want to change the frequency into the percent, click on any cell, right click, show values as. After show values as, percent of grand total. So if you will click on percent of grand total, you can see here. So this is the frequency. It means there are 5 families or 8.33% of the families, they earn between 30,000 to 49,999. Most of the families they are earning 31.67% of the families. Out of 60 families, 19 families, their earning is between 10,000 to 29,999. There's only one family who is earning a lot. So that is the description, who is earning less, who is earning more, where most of the families they are lying. So this is the frequency here. This is frequency. This is the frequency percent, and you can change it. Double click, okay? Double click. If you will just do single click, this dialog box will open. But if you will do double click, then you can change it. So this is percent. So write percent here and okay. This one was just my frequency. Count, you can say count, or you can say frequency, and you can change it. Now the last thing is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. So what is cumulative frequency? First value is always same, then next values keep on adding. So what you will do, again click on any cell, do the right click. So don't change it once again, don't change it here, don't change it here. So change it in the next column. If you will just do the next operation here, so frequency I won't be able to see, it will change to cumulative. So better you make another column. For that, what you will do, once again drag down household into this. And you can see this is the new frequency. Now change the new frequency to frequency by show values as percent of grand total. And you can see this is the frequency. So this is my percent. Okay, so this is, I'm just changing, double click, I'm saying here percent, this is percent, I'm changing it to, okay, wait one second. All this name already existing, so then we can change it, because this name I already gave, I cannot say this name, I'm just saying percent count, or percent, you can just make percent. Now name should be different, press OK. So it changed to percent. Put everything again in the center by clicking on home and center. Everything should be in center, and if you want to put everything in border, click here. And now finally I want to do the cumulative frequency. So this is the frequency, this is the percent of frequency. Now this one I can change, you can see both are same. One I'm going to change to cumulative, click on any cell, do the right click, again show values as, show values as cumulative frequency. It's not saying here cumulative, but the meaning of running total, a running total means keep on adding the values, keep on adding the running values, that is called running total, and that is called cumulative frequency. If you will click on this, now press OK, and you can see automatically it changed to cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, whatever is the sum of frequency, like 100%, when you will do cumulative frequency, it should be 100%, and its first value is always same as I told you, and then it keep on adding 31.67 add 8.33, then 40 add 26.67, 66 add 20, 86 add 11.67, 98.33 add 1.67, and 100. And this is how we make the cumulative frequency. And that's your question number 3. And in the next video, we will do question number 4 and